You spend months carefully designing your absolute dream home, but when you submit the blueprints to the city council, they get slammed with a giant red stamp. Rejected. Your project instantly grinds to a painful, expensive halt. Getting a building permit approved can be a bureaucratic nightmare, and thousands of plans fail every single year over minor details. Here is the definitive breakdown of the top layout mistakes everyday homeowners miss until it is far too late to fix. Mistake number 1 is building past your official property setback lines. Your walls cannot sit right on your neighbor's boundary line or inspectors will halt your build. Mistake number 2 is designing spaces that completely lack proper ventilation and natural airflow. If your rooms do not include enough window openings, building code regulators will toss the plans out immediately. Mistake number 3 is inconsistent scaling. If the dimensions on your floor plans do not add up mathematically across all your separate tracking files, review boards will reject the blueprints on the spot. Mistake number 4 is missing professional engineering seals. Depending entirely on your soil structure or roof load weight, standard architectural drafts are not enough. Without a certified structural engineer's stamp, your plans go right into the trash. Mistake number 5 is violating local city zoning laws, like exceeding maximum roof height caps or overall site land coverage limits. Review boards will freeze your application immediately before you can even break ground. Mistake number 6 is specifying the wrong roof pitch for regional weather hazards, which creates catastrophic water pooling and drainage risks over time. Mistake number 7 is using non-standard layout blueprint notations. If your plumbing line icons or electrical circuit symbols are outdated or confusing to local protocols, inspectors will deny your building permit. Mistake number 8 is compromised fire egress safety lines. Every bedroom must have an emergency escape route directly to the exterior, or it fails building safety codes instantly. Mistakes 9 and 10 are submitting incomplete site plan maps or completely ignoring basic physical mechanics by spanning giant living spaces without specifying internal load-bearing support walls or structural support pillars before you take your drafts to the city council and waste thousands on non-refundable application fees. Hit that subscribe button for more structural blueprint secrets, and click the video on your screen right now to save your home building budget.